Welcome. In front of me is a Redmi A5, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, you'll want to open up your settings application, and here scroll all the way down to System, and then select Reset options from the very bottom, and then Erase All Data, Factory Reset. This will present you with a list of data that will be removed by this process, which importantly includes things like music, photos, and all user data. That would be the most accurate way to actually saying it. So if you have anything of that sort that you'd like to keep, make a backup copy of it before you go any further. Now, assuming you have already made a copy or you don't want to, you can then select Erase All Data. If you have some kind of screen lock, you will need to confirm it. Once you've done so, select Erase All Data a second time, and this will now begin factory resetting your device. This process here will probably take about 2 minutes or more to finish up, and once it's completed, we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. So it took actually a little bit faster than I expected, but there we go, it's now finished and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.